Let's understand fats and their functions in our body. Fats consist of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, but they differ from carbohydrates in that the hydrogen and oxygen are not in the same proportions as in water. There are several groups of fats and lipids important in nutrition. Fats, triglycerides, commonly known as fats, triglycerides consist of 1 glycerol and 3 fatty acid molecules. Depending on the type and relative amounts of fatty acids they contain, fats are classified as saturated or unsaturated. In general, saturated fats are solid at room temperature and originate from animal sources, while unsaturated fats are oils, usually derived from vegetables or plants. A high intake of saturated fat can predispose to coronary heart disease. Linoleic, linolenic and arachidonic acids are essential fatty acids, which cannot be synthesized by the body in significant amounts, but are needed for synthesis of prostaglandins, phospholipids and leukotrienes. Cholesterol. Unlike other lipids whose molecules are composed of chains of atoms, this molecule contains 4 rings, which give it the characteristic steroid structure. It can be synthesized by the body and is a constituent of full-fat dairy products, fatty meat and egg yolk. Cholesterol is needed for synthesis of steroid hormones, example glucocorticoids and mineralocorticoids, and is an important constituent of the cell membrane. Functions of fats. These include provision of the most concentrated source of chemical energy and heat. Support of some organs, for example the kidneys, the eyes. Transport and storage of the fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, K. Constituent of myelin sheaths and of sebum. Formation of steroid hormones from cholesterol. Storage of energy as fat in adipose tissue under the skin and in the mesentery, especially when eaten in excess of requirements. Insulation. As a subcutaneous layer it reduces heat loss through the skin satiety value. The emptying time of the stomach is prolonged after eating food that is high in fat, postponing the return of hunger. Warning disclaimer. The information provided on this channel is for educational and informational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. The content shared here should not be considered a substitute for professional medical guidance, diagnosis, or treatment. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more educational content.